welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Alana and I'm so happy to be able to have you here on this Easter Sunday. I'm feeling so good. The good Lord has risen. Let's praise him. Okay. So today I just want to be able to make a quick update video about the Organique Body Wave hair. Okay, so before I get started, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would really be able to help me grow and be able to get you more content out as quickly as I can. So I just want to be able to bring a quick update with this hair. I saw a lot of other videos. I went and looked, and I saw some other ladies had made some reviews about the hair after, I guess, even just a couple of days, and said that the hair was just tangled and it was a mess and they really would not recommend it. For me, I feel like it's synthetic hair. What do you expect? Synthetic. It's not human hair. This hair did not cost $1,000. These are not $200-300 bundles. Like, what do you expect out of $20-something hair? Literally, I paid $21 plus some tax for this hair. So for me personally, I feel like the hair has held up. I got my hair done April 6th. Today is April 17th of 2022. And I just really feel like after 12 days, you can see the hair is still holding up. Yes, I do have to brush it. Yes, I have put a little bit of product in it. Just really some mousse and some oil sheen is all that I've been putting in it. So when I put the mousse in it, I just brush through it with my wig brush, and it just brings it right back to life. I am one of those girls. I feel like I pay a lot of money to be able to get my hair done. So I'm going to take care of it. I don't care if I pay $5 for this hair or $500. Either way, I'm going to take care of it. So every single solitary night, I wrap my hair up. Like I said, I put on a bandana first. Then I put my bonnet on. When I get in the shower, I got a big old shower cap that I put on to be able to protect it too. I work from home also, so maybe that makes a difference. I'm not going outside every single solitary day working from home. I keep my hair tied up while I am at home. I don't take it normally down or really start to do anything to it until I get to the weekend, or it's time for me, and babe, to be able to go out, date night, movies, something of the sort. Then I'll take my hair down. So maybe that has made the difference for me. But even if I was leaving the house every single solitary day, I would still try to protect my hair no matter how much I pay for it. So I do feel like after, like I said, 12 days, the hair still, it looks good. Like, still flowing, still look just as beautiful to me as it did, on day one. I said, yes, I do have to brush it. Yes, I do have to, put a little shine to it, even with my own real hair. Like, this is a leave out. This is a quick weave that I have. So all of this on top, this is my hair. So, I do have to do a little bit of product just to be able to keep my own hair healthy and maintained. But outside of that, I feel like, I got to brush hair. Like, I can show you, fooling with the hair, you do got to, you gotta be able to brush it. You gotta be able to, work with it a little bit. But I do feel like if you take care of it, any kind of hair, if you take care of it, tie your hair up at night, it'll be just fine. So I just want to be able to give you ladies a quick update and a quick review of the hair after 12 days. It held up. It did just fine for me. When I get a quick weave done, I expect for my quick weaves to last at least 2 weeks. Bare minimum. If I can go a little bit longer, that's even better. But it held up for the 2 weeks that I needed it to. I plan on keeping it up for at least one more week, because for me it looks damn good. So I plan on keeping it up for at least another week before I get it redone. Okay. So, but if you can lay this guy, if you disagree with me, drop down in the comments and let me know. If you got a video showing me that the hair did, good on you, or it was worse on you, or, you had a terrible time with it, drop your link. I would love to be able to see it, because I do plan on buying this hair again to be able to go. I got a couple of birthday parties and stuff coming up, so I plan on trying the hair again. So just let me know. But thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all. Happy Easter.